If I talk about diploma right after 10th, right, a lot of students are not aware that they can actually choose a higher education institute right after their 10th. You were one of the person who, who decided that I want to get into a higher education institute right after my 10th. How did that come? Like, were your parents involved in the decision, or were you already well informed, or the admission counselors helped you?
So my parents, like, well, they're my parents, right? They're involved in every decision I make, even till date. So, but I always knew where my inclination lied towards. I always knew that I wanted to be a, commercial person. And the very first step was to, get into the technical aspect of it. So I thought, why to figure out, have 2 years in 12th and then build the technological aspect and then build the commercial aspect. So rather than that, I was lucky enough to come from a very exposed family. So they told me, like, I can just get into diploma, I can just fast track 2 years of my life.
Right.
So that is what led me to Silver Oak.
If I talk about the academics here, like diploma in engineering, right? How was the experience academically for you?
The experience academically was very enlightening. So we actually learned from the very basis of it. I had a very weird perception in my mind that, okay, from the very beginning we would have just, okay, I did computers, so it would be more like computer, but it was not that. We were taught concepts around physics as well, we were taught concepts around maths as well, something that would help us develop holistically, grow as a person as well, right? That was one of the thing that built me as a person as well in the very beginning of our diploma journey. Along with that, we had the theoretical aspects. Along with that, we had so much into our PBL, that is our project based learning, where we were constantly given to pick up some innovative, challenging projects and push our boundaries to the next level.
Apart from academics, how was your experience at diploma?
Apart from academics as well, it was like one word for it was just blissful. So I am very avid part of Junoon, the fest that we have. That helped me actually come out of my shell. I have always been this vibrant, bold person. I yap a lot, but that's usually one-on-one. On stage, I tend to feel a bit conscious. Junoon guided me through that. Junoon pushed me to be on the stage, to talk around, and today I can, like, give me a stage and I'll just blabber.